Wendy, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the wedding of one of my sorority sisters. I'm so excited. We will party for 3 days straight. 3 days at least.
That sounds fun. Except for the wedding part. I have to study for a big history test. I'm going to have to study all weekend. Rah. Rah. Rah.
Joey, how can you stand it? How can you study all weekend? Sounds like a bummer to me. And Wendy, how can you party all weekend long? Don't you get tired? Don't you ever need to shower and sleep?
2 words. Red Bull. Give me a Red Bull and I can party like it's 1999. Party like a rock star. Gets my motor running. Vroom.
So you use Red Bull. Give me Monster. I use Monster when I have to pull an all-nighter studying. Yep. Monster is my energy drink.
Hello, Dr. Gray. Nice to see you this evening.
Yes. You were looking dapper today. And I enjoyed your lecture this morning.
Students, I could not help but overhear your discussion about energy drinks. Are you sure this is what you want to be doing?
Yes. Dr. Gray. I'm concerned about my friends. I worry about them guzzling that stuff. Why do they call it an energy drink anyway?
Benjamin, calling them energy drinks is somewhat of a misnomer. These drinks provide relatively few calories. Instead, they contain caffeine, which is a stimulant. And as a stimulant, caffeine causes you to metabolize your own stored energy molecules. Caffeine is also found in coffee, tea, and most sodas.
And chocolate.
Yes, and chocolate.
And a Jager bomb.
Wendy. Girl, what do you do at these parties?
So Wendy, what are you doing next weekend?
Not so fast, bucko.
You should make wise decisions about energy drinks. An overdose can cause seizures, nervousness, sleep problems, irritability, and heart palpitations.
I've heard that taking energy drinks leads to a lot of crash and burn feelings. And I heard of a student at another school who was hospitalized. And Wendy, I've read that mixing energy drinks with alcohol can cause a person to think they are not inebriated when they really are. So that people think they can drive. And you might think a dude like our friend Joey is cuter than he really is.
Don't hold your breath, bucko.
To be balanced, in moderate doses, caffeine can improve cognitive functions on the short run. It can help you stay alert. And as Benjamin said, the stimulant does well and you can crash. But just think moderation.
So there is hope that I can prepare for my test and make an A.
Hope springs eternal.
Anybody want an energy drink?
Ha 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 ha.